Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can download TikTok videos without Watermark. For that you'll need to open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, select the video which you want to download without Watermark. Then on your right hand side there you'll see a share icon, tap on it. Under share to, there you'll see various apps. Scroll from right to left and there you'll see the option of copy link. Tap on it. Now that you have copied the link of the video that you want to download without watermark, go back and open up browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up browser, search tiktokdownload.online on your search bar. Now paste the link of the video and then tap on the green tab that says download. Then tap on the download button which is beside without watermark. After that, tap on the three-dot menu icon which is on bottom right of your screen. And then tap on download. This way you can download TikTok videos without watermark. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.